Hey everyone, welcome to day 12 of the Etsy Hacks 30-day challenge. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your store URL. But on top of that, I'm going to show you a second hack. And the second hack is going to be how to track links and where your traffics are coming from when you're promoting your products and services on Facebook, on Instagram, and other platforms. So let me show you the first hack. So whenever you want to know or you need your URL of your store, you just go right on the top. So I am on a desktop, and if you go right on the top, this is your store URL. It will say etsy.com/shop/your Etsy store name. Now, a lot of people copy this whole thing, and this is what they give, like many sellers give this to other people that want to maybe potentially shop at their store. You don't need to give the entire link. It actually looks a little bit of spam. So you want to make sure that you just grab from your name all the way to the beginning. This is the link that you will give to people when they ask you for your Etsy store, or maybe you want to use it and put it somewhere like on a banner or put it somewhere outside of Etsy so people can see it. So that's how you find your Etsy URL. Now, the second tool that I wanted to show you is called Bitly, and you've probably seen me talk about this before. As you could see, I use it a lot. And Bitly is a free tool. You could upgrade if you wanted to. And Bitly, what it does, it helps you, one, shorten your links, and two, keep track of them. So for instance, let's say I wanted to promote this Etsy listing planner sheet that I sell. I will have to grab this whole link. And as you can see, if I were to go to my Facebook profile page and I wanted to go ahead and promote this particular product to prospective buyers, the link is so long that it actually looks a little bit spammy. And what I see a lot of people do is they'll say something like shop at, and then they have this massive link. And as you could see, it really doesn't look that great, in my opinion. It really doesn't look that great. It's too long and it actually looks spammy. So a better way to share your products is by grabbing the link from up here, like we just did. Then go ahead and Bitly, create an account with them. And you're going to go ahead and create a Bitly. That's what they call it. So it's basically you're going to put your URL here. And it's going to shorten down the URL. Now, one thing that I highly recommend to do, especially if you're running, like maybe you're doing a launch of your store, or maybe you're running like a special, right, of something that you're selling. Maybe it's Black Friday, maybe it's Christmas, and you want to track where you drove more traffic from. Was it Facebook? Was it from your Facebook group? Was it from, Pinterest? Was it from another platform? You could use this down here. They're called UTMs, and they are amazing. I use these for my Facebook ads, and they keep track of where your traffic is coming from. So let's say that I was going to promote this on Facebook. I would type in here Facebook. So the source is where you're promoting it. I would put in Facebook. Medium is, am I doing a click per click ad, or am I doing a banner? Am I doing an email? I'm just going to say here social media, right? Because I'm not doing like an ad. I'm just posting it as a regular post. So I'm going to put social media. And then what I could do here is I could say Black Friday, or I could say Christmas sale, or I could say launch day, or I could say 50% off, depending on the promotion I'm running. So let's say today was my launch day and I wanted to see where people click the most from. So I'm going to put launch day, or you could put Black Friday special, or you could do Labor Day weekend special, right? Just to kind of see, to track it. So now it's going to track Facebook, social media, and launch day. So once you have this information here, you're going to go ahead and create. And it'll take a few seconds here. And here is your new link. Now, if you want to make it a little bit even more custom, you actually can. You could customize the back half. So if I wanted to make this custom, I could actually name it the Etsy listing planner, right? Because that's what I'm selling. So I could go here and I could put, as long as it's not taken, Etsy listing planner. And I could put up here so I don't forget later what I'm selling, even though I have the name there. I could put Etsy listing planner. Some people put like Black Friday BF. So maybe you write up here Black Friday, and here you put BF for shorten, right? So once you're happy with this, just check to see if that name is available. It is available. No one has taken this. So now this is my new URL. Not only did it shorten the URL, so now it looks nice. Not only did I customize my URL to Etsy listing planner, on top of that, I'm tracking my results. So now I will go to Facebook, and instead of using this long URL here, right, I'm going to say grab my Etsy listing planner, right? And this is just me just writing something now. Obviously, I will make it a little bit better than this and write my caption a lot better. Make sure that I'm enticing people that they're going to want to click. But you see how I pulled up the actual listing, and it looks a lot more cleaner. And then you will go ahead and promote this, go ahead and post it. You will share it on your Facebook. Maybe you have a Facebook fan page, and then you will share it. If you have a Facebook group like I do, you will share it there. So every time that you share it on a different social media platform, you will go back to Bitly and you will create a new link, but with the sources of, instead of Facebook now, it will be Pinterest, or instead of Pinterest, it will be LinkedIn, wherever you promote your products and services, Reddit, any other platforms that you're promoting your business. What that's going to happen now is that over time, as people start clicking on that link, you're going to start generating here information for that particular product. And then you will be able to go back here and see, okay, how many people have clicked on that link from Facebook, how many people have clicked on it from Pinterest, etc. And that's going to give you a lot of great advice on where to put most of your marketing efforts in, or where to put most of your energy at. So if you see that majority of people came from Facebook versus like Instagram or versus like Pinterest, maybe Facebook is where majority of your people are at the moment. And that's where you need to focus more, meaning that every day spend at least 20 minutes to 40 minutes engaging and getting to know your audience there. So therefore you could start growing an audience. But this is a really, really great tool. You will be able to come back and see, okay, how many clicks did I get? You're able to see per day how many clicks. I mean, it will give you so much information. So instead of you guessing and thinking, okay, I think my top platform is Facebook, it tells you here. You see, mine tells me YouTube is my top platform for this particular link. Email marketing is 544. Facebook is a little bit lower, and others. And then you could click here and analyze this information. And instead of making decisions on no strategy, now you have a strategy. Now you know where to put your focus and energy on. So I hope that these 2 Etsy hacks actually help you today. Let me know if you like them below. Don't forget, guys, to like, comment, and share. And I will see you on the next Etsy hack.